clipping mask, a watercolor tree clipping mask, and there are a variety of splash marks. And I'm going to show you a bunch of ways that you can change and incorporate different colors to this template. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up and import a photo. So you're going to open up File, Place Embedded, and find an image that you'd like to use. Place it. Make sure that the image is sized correctly. So you might want to enlarge it or crop it. I'd like to have it so that it fills up the whole space. That's okay. And also make sure that your image is on top of the tree. Now you're going to right-click on top of the on your image and create a clipping mask, and that clips it right into the tree. If you would like to move this around, you can use your Move tool and find a location in the tree that you find to be pleasant. Then you can start adding some splashes. So we already have a nice, very sweet design going on here with this little boy. And it fits so beautifully inside this tree, and it has a very beautiful watercolor-like look to it. But we're going to add some cool splashes to it to really make it pop. So you'll see that there are a variety of splashes. I have splash number 1, splash number 2, and splash number 3. Now, one of the first things you can do is you can take these splashes and you can drag them, if you like, and place them above the boy. You can put some of them above and leave some of them below. You can change the order that the splashes are in. You can have them all above if you like. You can have them change their order in particular. You can also, maybe we'll keep that splash below the tree and keep these above the tree, like that. And maybe shut that one down. But the other thing you can do is you can also, because this is Photoshop, you can throw a mask on here, and then with a black, press the beep, the brush. I'm going to use a soft, open up and use a soft white brush, and you can paint off parts of the mask parts of the splashes that you don't like. Maybe you want to just keep the splash down here, or maybe you find that the splash is a little bit too much. You can also change the opacity on your splash. You can press, while you're on the layer, you can press Command or Control T to open up the transformation tool, and then you can just sort of move your splash around so you find a better location for it. You can make it a little bit smaller as well if you like, or just grabbing the ends here and find another location for that splash. And it's okay. And you have a different spot for your splash. You can shut it off completely. And another thing that you can do is you can change the colors of your splashes. I would grab this one. I'm going to place it above the tree. It's adorable. And I'm going to take the red splash. I'm going to change its color. Very easy. I'm going to make sure that I'm highlighted on splash number 3, the red one. I'm going to go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Hue Saturation. I'm going to make a check mark on the Use Previous Layer to clip, create a clipping mask, because I want to clip this hue saturation to only the red layer. And then I'm going to use my sliders to change the hue of. So if you're working with a totally different colored image, you might want to change the colors. You can also change the saturation levels. You can change the lightness and darkness. And it changes the whole effect. Again, if you don't clip the hue saturation, then anything below the hue saturation will also be changed. So I'm going to unclip it and show you. I'm going to release the clipping mask, and you'll see now that the hue has changed, not just the splash, but everything below it, including the boy and the tree. That may actually work well for you, but just so you know your options, you're going to want to clip hue saturation. You're most likely going to want to clip your hue saturation layer to the layer you want to change the color. You can do this with all of the splashes. Again, layer, the adjustment layer, hue saturation, clipping mask, and then you can change the hue. and you'll have a totally different template. All right, thanks for watching. You can find us at Photobox Designs, www.insidethephotobox.com for more great templates.